Shwmae pawb, Rob Workman dwi, Tipon Bennaeth Therapi Galwedigaethol. I'm Rob Workman, I'm the Deputy Head of Occupational Therapy for the Health Board. I'm also the Chair of Calon, which is the LGBT plus allies network for staff. Now, I'm very proud of the work we've done with Calon and how it fits into the We All Belong campaign, because we set up about 10 years ago based on a report that highlighted that over 50% of NHS staff and service users felt discriminated against because of their gender identity or their sexuality. And we wanted to do something about that. And over the last 10 years, we really have, we think, made an impact. That we've set up the network, we've done lots of events and awareness events, we reach out to the community, and we get a lot of feedback from people that does make them feel safe and happy and that they belong in the organisation. We're very aware though that some people feel that the staff networks are exclusive, that many people don't meet the protected characteristics of the staff networks and feel that maybe they are not belonging. And that's why with Calon, even though we focus on LGBT plus issues, the message that we give is one of acceptance and respect and dignity for all people.